Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, your home bartender, and apparently today I'm also your winter storm watch advisor. If you haven't heard, there's a big storm coming through all across the country. That's if it hasn't hit you already. Well, today we've got two cocktails for you. Now listen, if we're going to get stuck inside, we might as well have something that's warm, cozy, and delicious. And I have for us today two hot chocolate cocktails. So grab a blanket, grab a friend, grab a mug, and let's get pouring. First up is a classic spiked hot chocolate. It's only 3 simple ingredients. We're going to use vodka, we're going to use cream de cacao, and sitting here in my Yeti is some nice, thick, rich hot chocolate. We're going to keep this simple, so we're going to build it right in the glass. Our first ingredient going in there is 1.5 ounces of vodka, and I'm using Absolute, and that's going right in the bottom of the glass. My next ingredient we're going to follow that up with is cream de cacao. Now this is going to add some richness and some depth to that chocolate. Today I'm using a dark cream de cacao. They make it light, they make it dark. Because this is hot chocolate colored, really doesn't matter which one you use. So if you got one on the shelf, grab the one that you got. We're going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Hard to believe we're 2/3 of the way through. Next, let's just pop the top on this thermos. And we're going to fill that up with hot cocoa. I've got that topped off. Now all I need to do is give it that amazing garnish that we're going to put on there. Now you can go a couple of ways. The way we're going today, hot chocolate and marshmallows. I'm going to put a lot of marshmallows on top because I like marshmallows. Oops. And now, what's better than a marshmallow? It's a toasted marshmallow. If you got a kitchen torch, because now we're going to make these brown. Now, I like mine lightly toasted, so you just need to carefully do this. Some people like them toasted, so toast them to the way you like them. But be very careful as you're doing this. You don't want to really heat the glass up. We don't want you to burn your lips as you're drinking this. So get it to that nice golden brown that you like. And there is our first cocktail. The spiced hot chocolate. Let's put that off to the side. We got one more to build. Now, if you want something that's just a little bit more playful, this one is like winter in a mug. We are going to make an Oreo Mint Hot Chocolate. This one is dessert, nostalgia, and deliciousness all in one cocktail. So let's get a little bit wild and grab our blender. We're going to start throwing our stuff in the blender, and I'm going to start with our first liquor. And today I'm using creme de menthe. Now there's white and green. This one I'm going to tell you to use white. You don't want the green colored on it. If you don't have creme de menthe and you have peppermint schnapps, go ahead and use that, but that's just a little bit sweeter. For this, I am going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Want to follow that up with our vodka, and I'm using Absolute. Now, if you got good vodka, treat yourself. We're stuck inside with a snowstorm. Use the best liquor you can. You deserve it. 1.5 ounces. I did say something about mint Oreos, and you can never have enough Oreos. We're going to put 2 Oreos in there, and these are the mint ones, so they got the green center to them. Let's put 1 in there, 2 in there. It's a bad storm, isn't it? Let's kick it up. Let's put 3 Oreos in there. Let's put the top on this, and we are going to give it a real quick flash blend. We just want to break those cookies up. So we'll give it a pulse. for our final ingredient going in there, we have some white hot chocolate. And we're going to put in there about a cup's worth, 8 ounces. Now this white hot chocolate is made with white chocolate. So we got it nice and warm. So you want to be careful when you blend this. If you need a recipe for that, let me know in the comments and we can give you a recipe for making that white chocolate. And let's give this another pulse. Now that we've got it all mixed together, let's get this off and let's get this poured. Once again, let's get our mug out and give this a pour. We're going to fill that right up. We've got our white hot chocolate. Now we need to do is garnish that. Our traditional garnish on this is whipped cream. We'll give it a shake. We'll give it a topping. That looks really good, but it still looks kind of naked. So, one more cookie. You can't have too many Oreos. There we have our Oreo Mint Hot Chocolate. Now there we have 2 delicious hot chocolates that are going to make you forget about shoveling the driveway, keep you nice and cozy in the house. Now remember, be safe, be warm, be happy. Cheers, everyone.